I have a kind of forward-looking one, so I will demo it. It's very early progress. So this is a pie chart. People don't tend to like it because it does things like this, which is not super readable. So I've been looking at a different one, and particularly I've been looking at a different library called eCharts to do this. And so far, it seems to handle things a lot better. So you can actually play with a lot of these, and it will actually point to the right area. And a lot of the early stuff kind of works. So again, very early, but beginning to work with replacing it.
So Rob, the idea is just for certain types of charts, we'll use a different library essentially.
Yes.
Is
Makes
there
sense
any
to me.
other chart types that eCharts is particularly good at?
I'm looking at funnel
They also have a Sankey chart.
and Sankey.
So the working thought, like Rob said, is we should be able to support multiple libraries depending on which ones are better at which chart types. We also will need to figure out how we support like the advanced spec. Like they do also have a code-based spec similar to Vega, so we'll figure out how to work that in at some point.
Do they have a off-screen canvas?
Nope.
Yeah, we gotta we'll have to figure
I
it out.
do want to look into that though. I will probably try to build it into a web worker because it does seem to the early early Googling says that they handle it better.
Cool, yeah, I
But-
think it's newer, so that would track.
Mhm.
Someone has there's a package that someone wrote that
Right.
he implements it.
Mhm.
Liam, get out of here with your word cloud.
Word cloud.
I don't know. Actually, I'll look and see if they have it. But yeah, it'll give us a lot more flexibility. Like Vega will still be a lot of the core things, but there's certain things it just doesn't do particularly well. And instead of fighting it, we can just support things.